friends, and welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw twisted Toodles from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with the eye. We're going to start with the outside portion, just drawing in a nice big circle. We're going to leave a gap in the center coming across on the right hand side, and we're just going to replicate that, drawing that at the exact same size. Now in the middle, again, we're going to close that off with another circle, bringing this around and then through towards the top. And then leaving another gap coming down. We're going to replicate that, drawing in our second circle. Now let's move in towards the center of the eye. We're going to curve this line around on the top, flattening that out, replicating that on the bottom, and then bringing that back up together on the left. We're going to flip over on the right, replicating that, so curving that, flattening the side out, bringing that back around, and then in. We're going to color in this portion of the eye black now. Now let's come down and draw in the mouth. So starting underneath on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then up on the right. And then we're going to close that off on the bottom, starting again from that corner, bringing this around and through, connecting that together on the right-hand side. Let's draw in the teeth now. So starting from the center, we're going to draw two diagonal lines that come out on both sides. And then stepping across from that point, we're going to bring that diagonal line up and over towards the side. Let's step across again. We're going to replicate that, making that slightly bigger this time. And then again, we're just going to bring that over and up towards the side. Now let's come down. We're going to bring this line over and through towards the top. Let's move down in the center. For the middle tooth, we're going to draw in a small triangle right in the middle. And then stepping across, we're going to replicate this on both sides of that tooth in the middle. And then we're just going to color in the back portion of the mouth black. Now let's come up and frame in the head. So we're going to start right in the center here. We're going to bring this line out on a diagonal on both sides. We're just going to draw that at the same size. We're going to close this off with a nice big circle now. So on the left hand side, we're going to arch this line around. We're just going to bring that down towards the side of the eye. We'll flip across on the right hand side and we'll just replicate that. We'll end it at roughly the same height. Let's continue to close this off now. So starting on the side, we're going to round out the side here, bringing this over and through towards the middle. And we're going to flip across on the right hand side, replicating that, bringing that around. We're going to flatten that out again as we come in towards the bottom. Let's add in the crack on the top of the head now. So as we come over on the right hand side, we're going to draw a small diagonal line coming in. And then from that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line down towards the right eye. Now let's close off the center. So from that point, we're going to kind of curve this over and through towards the middle. And then from that point, we're going to arch this back, around, and then up on the left-hand side. Now from that point, we're going to bring a diagonal line out on the left. And then now from this point, we're going to bring this line up and over on the side. We're going to leave a gap. We're going to come over on the left-hand side, replicating that, bringing this around, and then we're going to bring this up and over towards the side. And now let's draw in some of the markings. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, in, back out, and down on the left. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, down, back up, and through towards the side. Now underneath both eyes, we're just going to draw in a small detailed line, curving that over and across. Let's go underneath and draw on the body now. So for the neck, starting on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. And then now for the strings, we're just going to curve this line down on the left and right-hand side, drawing that at the same height. Now underneath, we're going to draw in a circle. Let's continue to close this off. On both sides, we're going to curve this line over and out towards the side of the page. And then closing this off on the bottom, let's just draw in a nice big curved line from left to right, finishing that off. Let's draw on the arms. So on the top, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal. We're going to do the same on the right. We're going to come underneath, bringing this over, ending that at the same height. Now we're going to bring this line from the corner, bringing that down on a diagonal on the inside. And then for the thumb, we're going to curve this around and across. Let's close off the rest of the arm now. So from that corner, we're going to arch this line all the way around, up, and we're going to bring this over and through, connecting that together on our top line. Where it bends here, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line, connecting that from bottom to top. Let's add in some of the markings here. So we're going to curve this line down, up, and over on the bottom. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to just curve this line over towards the right. Let's come down for the legs. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a small diagonal line coming out. We'll do the same on the right. We're going to bring this diagonal line further down towards the bottom now, angling that in towards the middle. For the foot, we're going to curve this line over and through on the side. And now let's bend the leg. So from that corner, we're going to bring this line up and in. Let's come down now. From that corner, we're going to curve this line up on both sides. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in an oval. Now coming down, we're going to be a bit wavy with this as we bring this down, up, back down, and through towards the top of the foot. And then we're going to do the same on the right. So we're going to arch this up, down, back up, and across towards the right-hand side. And that is it. That's how you draw twisted doodles from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.